A global cyber catastrophe has brought our city and the country to its knees. And it's being felt right around the world with banks, shopping centres, the airport, some media, just about anything that relies on the internet in a tailspin.
It hit at 3 p.m. Reports of systems down went through the roof all across the country and around the world. Computers showing the dreaded blue screen of death. The hit list is huge. Banks, telcos, broadcasters, even Australia Post, Netflix, Centrelink, affecting all or part of their IT operations.
Obviously, they've got CrowdStrike systems as well on their systems, but they do say everything was operating normally prior to the close of trade today. So obviously, we were getting ready for business now, bringing you all the latest business news, and this has clearly turned into the biggest business story around the whole world at this stage in the day. Clearly, there's people, as you say, that are starting to go to work in Europe. They're waking up